In this video, we're going to discuss the BKR 5000 for the Roseburg district specifically. You've got knobs on the top, volume on off, obviously turns on your display. You've got your channel select, you have your collar switches. The left collar switch on the volume turns the scan on and off. The center collar switch on the channel select goes to your fire groups. Fire South, Fire North, and for Coos Bay as well. Now, if you're in these groups and you want to get to the Roseburg group, you can simply hit the home button, which takes you to Group 4, Channel 1, Lane Mountain. Also on the BKR, you see it has a top screen, which is handy when your radio is on your belt or on your chest harness and you simply want to look down and see what channel you're on. The orange button, commonly used for emergency calls, is disabled for the BKR. The side buttons, as you see, there are 4 side buttons, and we'll go over their use. The top button is the control lock. That means that you can lock keypad only or lock all of your controls. If you want to lock that, click enter, or if you want to get out, just click escape and you go back to your normal display. Second button is obviously your push to talk. Push that, talk into the microphone, let go when you're done. The middle button is your priority scan selection. You can go through and choose which priorities channels you want to program into. Again, escape, go back to a normal display. Bottom button, priority scan on, priority scan off. You see the 4 top buttons of your keypad. Home, which I've already showed you. Scan, again, turns scan on and off. Scan plus, that is your menu to add or delete channels into your scan list. If you want to scan a channel, simply push the plus minus button and you'll see the little check mark. That will add and delete channels from your scan list. The menu button, as you can see, has a lot of options. Cloning, which we cover in a different video. Zone select, which allows you to select the zone you want to go to. And other channel add delete, channel scan list. You can turn the backlight on and off. You can adjust the squelch if your radio is getting a little too sensitive in certain areas. You can adjust that. You can adjust it, reset, or just set to default level. Priority channels, priority scan. Basically everything you can do on the buttons has something in the menu. Versions, radio info, don't really need to be concerned with that. Keypad programming is handy when you want to program a new frequency. If you're on a wildfire or an incident, you can use that for programming frequencies and labels into your radio. And that is the BKR 5000 for the Roseburg district.